Hello, my friends. Welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. This is Jennifer. It's a very short and sweet one today, guys, but I have some massive news. I'm going to save it for the end, but we'll get there. Also, Rainy made this. It is the last week of April, the last full week of April. My birthday's on Friday. I will be the big 50 on Friday. And my daughter made me a cardigan. So that is what I'm wearing today. She made me this beautiful cardigan. It's got pockets, it's got ribbing, it fits perfectly, as you can see, and it's quite warm, which will come in handy because we found a house. The house I told you guys last week that we were looking at, that we had fallen in love with. My husband and I have been looking at houses in the New England area for 2 or 3 years now, really intensely for the last 6 months or so. This was the first house we actually wanted to see in person. We did a video tour the week before last. We flew in on Thursday, saw the house on Friday, and made an offer on Saturday. And there was a little bit of conversation before we got the contract on the house, but we did get the contract. We were very enthusiastic. We asked a million questions, and we are, I guess I've saved this part for the last, we are moving to New Hampshire. We have a contract on a historic home. It is our dream house. It's something we've talked about all of our adult lives since we were in college. And so yeah, we're going to be moving from our little suburban home in Austin, Texas to a 200-year-old home in New Hampshire. So I'm over the moon. I'm terrified, but very excited. So there are going to be a lot of big changes coming up. I have a feeling that in the next month and a half, 2 months, my videos are going to be short. I will still be here, but they might just be like that big, and they may not be edited at all. But I just want you guys to know that I am super happy. I appreciate all of your well wishes and your thoughts. And to my Austin friends, I know, I'm sorry. I love you guys too. It is bittersweet. I love Austin. It's a lifelong dream for both of us, and we're gonna go live in a Four Seasons date. So I guess I better find some snow boots that will accommodate a non-bending toe. Don't forget to post your video so you have a chance to win our prize, which I put somewhere, which was behind the dresser, which is hanging out from my bedroom because I'm doing a lot of DIY right now. You guys post a video this month. That includes today or anytime the rest of this week. And next Tuesday, I will draw a winner and I will mail this to whoever the winner is. So that is for people who post videos to talktometuesday.wordpress.com. I already have quite a few entries, so I can't wait to see who wins. I'm going to leave you guys with the finished stairs. I've been doing lots of updates in the house, and the stairs are done. They're completely finished. I, just as a recap, repainted the steps, added a runner, completely refinished the handrail. It used to be painted. It is now stained and sealed, and repainted the banister. You guys have a wonderful week. Have a crafty week, and I will see you next week. Bye.